For those willing to go that extra mile. And turn heads while doing it. For those that believe in giving the ones they love the freedom to move. For those that pursue ambition and style. For those that want to feel seen and safe and want the quietest lullaby on the road. For those that want to live more, love more, experience more in every mile. The new Stargazer.
We have already our newest facelifted Stargazer, which is 2026 model. It has newly launched last November. So, ang maganda po dito sa Stargazer natin ngayon is 4 variants na po siya. The price itself is only cost around starting from 1,118,000 up to the top of the line, which is the 1,378,000. If you're going to buy the top of the line, of course, you will get all the top of the line features such as the Hyundai Smart Sense, which is number 1, blind spot collision avoidance assist, which is lane keeping assist, lane following assist. Also, we have the forward collision avoidance assist. Once, for example, may nag-sudden stop sa harap nyo without knowing, so siya ang sudden stop by itself mismo. So, no need to rush about na think about na baka mamaya mabangga ako. Actually, as per our clients, very reliable in terms of not everyday but in terms of biglaan. One thing to consider, lalo tayo andito tayo sa Baguio, the horsepower of the Stargazer, it has 115 horsepower and it has 144 Newton meters of torque. For our efficiency here in Baguio City, especially here in Baguio City, of course, paakyat, pababa, it's not patag na lagi mong nadadrive. So based on our clients kasi, they have estimated 12 to 15 kilometers per liter here in Baguio. However, if you're considering sa highway, let's say kamo na expressway, that's cost around 15 to 18 kilometers per liter. Actually, we have one of our clients who had experience na yung recent na biyahe niya, they cost are only around like 25 kilometers per liter. So, hindi galing sa amin but also experience ng mga clients namin mismo. In terms of the comfort itself, so doon papasok ngayon ng Hyundai in terms of the comfortability of our passengers and also for the drivers itself. So, one thing to consider for the top of the line kasi, ang upuan kasi natin is very sophisticated in terms of the comfortability. So, also, hindi lang dahil sa comfortability ng upuan, but also for the comfortability kasi ng suspensions natin. Kasi dito sa Baguio, usually, ang driving mo, pag ganun-ganun ka eh. So, technically, and probably, medyo andun yung hilo natin, kumbaga. But based on our clients' experiences also, hindi nila na-feel masyado yung hilo, hindi rin nila na-feel masyado yung tagtag, which is one of our best in class in terms of the comfort. In terms of Creta kasi, one thing to consider is number 1, value for money. So, why value for money? Number 1, the price itself starts at 1,134,000 up to the top of the line, which is 1,379,000. So, the good thing about the Creta po kasi is number 1, the space itself. So currently, it is one of the most spacious in terms of legroom and then the headroom as well. So also, one thing to consider why you have to buy the Creta, it's because of the sophisticated looks and also for the very unique design of the interior. And also, we must consider the comfortability. Of course, Hyundai technology, Hyundai comfortability, so one of the best class. Well, technically, in terms of the technology, in terms of the price, it's almost the same. or you only have to choose whether you needed like a 7-seater or you needed only like a 5-seater. Yes, sir. But in terms of the power, in terms of the comfort, in terms of the technology, it's almost the same, sir.
It's part of the customer service na may value. Of course, it's always the vision ng company na to give it its best service. So, maging top of mind po ang Hyundai Baguio and our automotive service. So, we wanted them to feel like a family po. So, whenever they visit us here in our showroom, of course, part na rin yung Chanum drinks.
Content creating kasi is very one of our most priority in terms of having problems kasi ng mga clients namin kasi mostly wala silang oras. So also, we consider na mag-content creating, gumawa ng videos and everything para, for example, kukontakin na lang kami, andun na yung videos, informations ng mga kailangan ng clients. So, madali na lang for those who visited us here at Hyundai Baguio, especially for our partner which is Born in Film. Thank you so much for supporting and always naman po every time, for example, you needed to go back here just to make sure you want to check all our units. You may feel free to go here po. We are located po here at number 34 CM Recto Street, St. Joseph Village, Baguio City po.